Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log into blockchain.com account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the blockchain.com application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and open it, and you'll have a screen looking like this. So here, as you can see, we have two buttons. We have the first button, which is create account, and we have I already have an account. Because you're in this video, I'm supposing that you have an account, so we will be going and clicking I already have an account. When you did that, you just need to go and put your email in and click on the login button. But if you do not know how, you can go and click on recover my account. So for now, we're going to go and click on login to log into our wallet. Then you'll have a link sent to your phone where you need to go and authorize the phone. Then you just need to go to your email. Just a second. I'm going to do it on my PC, and I'm going to go and confirm my device. So that's the button that you'll need to go and click. Then click verify, and you'll have it verified like this. Then just go and type in your password. Click continue. Then put your PIN in, and you'll have this done in no time, guys. You will be logged into your account. As you can see, I'm logged in. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could go and do this for us. So guys, as I said, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it informative, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.